With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's solve the question. Which of the following statements about test cross is or are correct? Alright, so let's read the first statement here. Every test cross is a back cross, but not every back cross is a test cross. Alright, so first of all, what is a test cross? In test cross, the organism, which is the F1 hybrid, that is the progeny that we get in F1 generation, the F1 hybrid is crossed with the recessive parent. So this cross is called as a test cross. All right. Now, for example, we have a F1 progeny which is tall. All right. And we have a recessive parent which is a dwarf plant. All right. So when we cross between these two, the progeny that we will get is one is the tall plant and one is the dwarf plant. All right. So the ratio between this will be 1:1. So this type of cross is called as a test cross. Now here another term that is given to us is a back cross. What is back cross? Back cross is the cross between the F1 progeny, that is F1 hybrid, F1 hybrid and any of the parents, any parents. All right, so the parent can be either dominant or recessive. So this type of cross is back cross. So from the first statement given to us, it is said every test cross is a back cross, which is correct, right? Every test cross is a type of back cross, all right? Because the cross done between a recessive parent and the F1 progeny is a type of back cross as well as a test cross. So this is correct. But not every back cross is a test cross. Again, this statement is also correct because the cross between the F1 progeny and the dominant parent is not called as a test cross. So this statement will be our correct answer. Then second statement says every back cross is a test cross, but not every test cross is a back cross. So this is just the opposite of the first statement. Therefore, this is wrong because back cross is not test cross in the case of recessive pair. Only in the case of recessive parent it is a test cross, right? But in the case of dominant parent it won't be called as a test cross. So this statement is wrong. The third is the ratio of a test cross is always 1:1. All right, so that we have seen here, right? Because in test cross the F1 progeny is crossed with the recessive parent, all right, and the ratio that we will get is 1:1. So this is again correct. And the last one says a test cross can be considered as a type of reciprocal cross. So this statement is wrong. Why? Because in reciprocal cross is a cross done to identify the sex-linked inheritance. All right. Whereas a test cross is performed to identify the zygosity of the progeny. Zygosity meaning it can be either homozygous, right? That is to identify the genotype, or it can be heterozygous, right? So the test cross is done to identify the zygosity of the progeny, whereas the reciprocal cross is done to identify the sex of the progeny. So this statement is incorrect. A test cross cannot be considered as a type of reciprocal. So our correct statements will be what? First and third are correct. So the correct answer is option 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.